Introducing a whole new dimension of puzzles. Get ready to experience the future of entertainment with AR puzzles. Imagine the joy of a traditional puzzle combined with the magic of augmented reality.
Hello, I'm Pix from Planet Granille. Are you ready to travel the world of adventure with me?
See your world change piece by piece before your eyes. With AR technology, you and your beloved family can create, play, and explore like never before. Explore a wide range of topics, from the depths of the age of dinosaurs to the mysteries of space. This is an advanced EdTech toy for everyone. Augmented reality educational puzzle toy, beyond just play. Place your order and dive into a world where puzzles burst into vibrant life. Get your AR puzzle right now.